The latest on that clash between BJP and AAP supporters. The Delhi BJP media wing's in charge Praveen Shankar Kapoor has issued a statement denying all allegations levelled by the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP has condemned Aam Aadmi Party workers for repeatedly indulging in violence to vitiate the peaceful political atmosphere in Delhi. This is the same language that was used in AAP's media release. The statement also says that AAP workers attacked BJP workers who were returning from a TV channel program at around 3 p.m. today, and that a police report was registered at the Govindpuri police station. The statement says 4 BJP workers have been admitted to Batra hospital following injuries they sustained in the attack. The BJP has accused our volunteers of setting the car ablaze themselves and putting the blame on the BJP workers to suppress the earlier attack. Let's get a word from our correspondent Ankit Tyagi, who's been tracking this story for us. Ankit, the blame game continues. Now the BJP has come out with a press release. Interestingly, the language is similar to the one used by the Aam Aadmi Party in their press release, both sides saying that the other is trying to vitiate the atmosphere in the national capital ahead of assembly polls.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Simi, this is not the sort of election campaign that Delhi is used to or have witnessed so far. This is the first time that a violent incident has taken place like this. The Aam Aadmi Party drew first blood, in fact, and went ahead and said that it was the BJP workers, in fact, named specifically BJP MP Ramesh Biduri for instigating this crowd, and that set this vehicle of Aam Aadmi Party Tughlakabad candidate Sairam Pehlwan's car on fire. Well, both the parties are trading charges. One thing is very clear that in the days to come, we are expecting in the next week the announcement for the dates for Delhi elections, and it would be somewhere in the early, first couple of weeks of Feb. So now the heat in the election campaign is picking up, and both the sides trying to get as much as political mileage out of this incident. But one thing is very clear, that the police will now have to investigate. There have been FIR and counter FIR both by the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Both are saying that their people have been injured in this incident, and now the police in fact will have to investigate and see who were the main people, who were the culprits as far as this entire incident is concerned. But one thing very clear, this sort of election campaign clearly indicates that both the parties are nervous, and certainly it seems that both of them are going all, gloves are off as far as the election campaign for Delhi is concerned.
All right, Ankit, stay on with us. We're being joined by Raghav Chadha of the Aam Aadmi Party. Raghav, now the BJP has issued a statement giving their side of the story, saying that members of the Aam Aadmi Party are trying to vitiate the peaceful atmosphere in Delhi ahead of polls, also saying that AAP workers first attacked BJP workers and then they set their own car on fire to try and divert attention from the incident.
Well, Simi, do you actually believe in the kind of statements that they have issued? I mean, you think it's humanly, logically possible for us to put our own car on fire just to prove our innocence? The fact of the matter is that the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers were murderously attacked, brutally attacked by the BJP goons, led by Mr. Ramesh Biduri's nephew, Vikram Biduri. And I am standing at the AIIMS Trauma Center. I'm right next to our volunteers, and they are in a very bad shape. Let me tell you that the Bharatiya Janata Party is extremely nervous. They are resorting to violence, which is the only election tactic that they have. They use this in Varanasi, they used this in other parts of the country, and they're again resorting to this. It can only be, I would want to term this event as the official campaign of the BJP. The BJP has officially launched its campaign. They are nervous and they didn't know how to react, and this is the only thing that Mr. Biduri's clan knows how to what to do and how to do. The fact of the matter is that Mr. Biduri's own family member, Vikram Biduri, who's also an aspirant of the BJP from that area, was leading the mob, and their volunteers were carrying iron rods. They were well equipped. They had knives and iron rods in that debate. We are trying to get in touch with the television channel also to furnish more videos in order to expose them. We have already furnished the videos, pictures, and other evidences that we have. We have also filed an FIR, and I would urge the Bharatiya Janata Party to strongly condemn this attack rather than playing this blame game and accept their responsibility.
All right, Raghav, stay on with us. I want to go back to our correspondent Ankit Tyagi, who's with us live from our newsroom. Ankit, as far as investigations go, considering that allegations are flying from both sides, what's important is going to be footage from that TV news debate that was being shot at that time in Tughlakabad.
Well, absolutely. In fact, sources in the Delhi police have also informed us that they are looking at all possible angles, and they have also requested that channel, that private news channel, to give them the footage of whatever footage, in fact, the raw footage that they have of the debate, and if they have caught any of this on camera. Also, what will be now important would be for Delhi police not only to see who instigated this violence, but also to identify the people, those who were leading this mob, either from whichever side, because the BJP is now saying that it was 4 of their people, those who were attacked. Ramesh Biduri on our channel saying that he will quit politics if all these allegations against him are proved. So, of course, the BJP trying to return the fire of the Aam Aadmi Party, but Simi, we know that it's these in the days to come for the election campaign, these counter allegation between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, both of whom are the major players as far as the Delhi elections are concerned, are only going to increase.
Absolutely. Clashes between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party workers in the streets of the capital, violence in the streets of the capital ahead of the crucial assembly polls. Ankit, thanks so much for that update. And Raghav, thanks so much for giving us the perspective of the Aam Aadmi Party to that statement that's been issued by the BJP, where they say that it was AAP volunteers who set this car on fire to divert attention from an earlier incident where AAP volunteers reportedly targeted BJP workers, allegations flying thick and fast. We also managed to speak to BJP MP Ramesh Biduri a short while back. Here's what he had to say.
वही आम आदमी पार्टी के कुछ लोगों ने गाड़ी रोककर हमारे 4 कार्यकर्ताओं को बंद गाड़ी में मारा। वो इंजर्ड है, वो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है बतरा में, वो सीरियस इंजर्ड है वो दोनों के दोनों लोग। ये वो एडमिट हुए बतरा में 3 बजे वो लोग, और 5 बजे इन्होंने इस चीज को काउंटर करने के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी के लोगों ने अपनी गाड़ी भाग लगाई है, ये काउंटर करने के लिए, सिंपैथी लोगों की गेन करने के लिए। क्योंकि मेरे पास आई एम टेलिंग यू विद प्रूफ कि जो तिगरी में भी पत्थर फेंका गया था आम आदमी पार्टी की रैली पे, वो भी बीजेपी को एलिगेशन लगा रहा था, वो भी आम आदमी पार्टी का वॉलंटियर का बेटा था। आई विल रिजाइन द पॉलिटिक्स।
नारेबाजी में ही जब नारेबाजी तेज हुई तो जो उनका भतीजा है उसने सीधा सीधा कहा मारो सालों को। इतना कहने के बाद ही तुरंत ही उन्होंने अपनी गाड़ियां खोली, उसमें से डंडे निकाले और लाठियां निकाली, और जो हमारे नेता वॉलंटियर थे उन पर लाठियां बजाना शुरू कर दिया। उसमें हमारे 5-6 लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इंजर्ड हैं। उसके बाद 4-5 पुलिस वाले खड़े हैं मेरी गाड़ी के पास ही। मेरी गाड़ी वहीं रह गई थी क्योंकि सब जो इंजर्ड हैं जो लोग, उनको ट्रामा सेंटर ले जाने में लग गए। वहीं पे पुलिस वाले खड़े हैं, वहाँ मेरी एक गाड़ी रह गई थी। वो लोग आए, पहले गाड़ियों के शीशे तोड़े, उसके बाद पेट्रोल डाल के स्कॉर्पियो गाड़ी है मेरी, उसमें आग लगा दी।